Hello friends, in this video I want to show you how you can organize your bits of strings and wires and cables and things that you have lying around in your workshop and they get all tangled up and so on. And the second part of this video I'm going to show you how you can make a nail guide so you don't batter your fingers while you're nailing very small fingers. Let's go and watch it. When we're working in our workshop, we usually have to use strings to tie things up temporarily. We tie it up, then we untie it, and then we have to put the string away. We might make a bundle and throw it into a pan or something, or even we might try and make a row with our hands there, and then put it into a pan, and then we get it out, and it's all tangled up and full of knots and so on. And to untangle it, we waste a lot of time doing that. So there's one solution there, quite easy. In my country, we have these things that are the tops of cans, coffee cans, and they're plastic, flexible, and very easy to cut with a knife. Now, what we have to do here is make a circle, a small circle in the middle, and then make these kind of tongues out of the circle, not quite to the end here. We leave a little space at the end. Then with a knife, we cut those tongues all around there, right to the other side, and then we pull them out. And we get something like this. See, these are the tongues. We already cut them. And when we have our string, what we have to do is simply roll it up around there, and once we have all our string rolled up there, now it doesn't have to be string, it can also be with wires, with cables, or any material that can get tangled up and is difficult to manipulate when it's not rolled up like this. Once we finish rolling it up, we can hang it on a nail with these holes here, or just simply put it in a bin or wherever we keep our things. Easy, and we have recycle old coffee cans. When we're hammering nails, it's very common that we hit our fingers with the hammer. With a big nail like this one, it's very difficult to hit our fingers. It's quite easy to hit the head of the nail and get it in with no problem. This is more difficult to hurt your fingers with. But when we're working with these kind of nails, very small nails without a head, it's very common that the hammer just slips off and goes and hammers our fingers. For these kind of nails, even these very small ones, there are different methods for guiding the nail into the wood without hurting our fingers. This is a piece of rubber taken off an old wheel of a bicycle, and I cut a slit there. Then you put the nail inside that slit, you put it on the work, and then you gently hit it first to get so it can't get caught in the wood, and then once it's caught, you just hammer in hard, and then you take the rubber off. With smaller nails, it's just the same. You put it in the right position, you hammer gently first to have it so it gets straight, it doesn't get crooked, and then once it's caught there, then you hammer hard and it's in completely. We can also use this tool to hold it in position and then hammer it. This is very useful. And the other option is using cardboard. You push the nails through cardboard, and then you hammer it in. But the problem there is that you have to pull the cardboard out then afterwards, and that leaves bits of cardboard around, and if the cardboard is caught under the head of the nail, it might be difficult to get out. So those are the three options for hammering nails without hurting your fingers. Well, I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.